I say it all the time in these videos. People have to talk to their agents. You have to share your concerns. Don't be afraid to ask coverage questions. Don't be afraid to reach out and say, I don't understand this, or I want a deeper understanding. Many people don't understand insurance. There's no shame in that, regardless of your age. Somebody wanted to talk to me about neurosurgery. I'm not going to know a lot about that either. Don't worry about what you feel like you don't know. Ask the question. If you don't want to call your own agent, heck, you can call us and ask us the question. We really want people to understand the educational value of knowing what you're buying and what you're refusing on your insurance policies so that you don't end up with an uninsured loss.